Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest and greatest products to hit the market. Today, we're diving into the world of spices with a spotlight on a true culinary gem, FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder. Let's spice things up, shall we? Now, before we delve into the delicious details of this product, let's talk about what sets Ceylon cinnamon apart from its counterparts. Unlike the commonly used cassia cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon boasts a milder, sweeter flavor profile, making it a favorite among chefs and health enthusiasts alike. But why should you opt for Ceylon cinnamon? Well, here's the scoop. Ceylon cinnamon contains significantly lower levels of coumarin compared to cassia cinnamon. Coumarin, a naturally occurring compound found in cinnamon, can be harmful when consumed in excess. So, by choosing Ceylon cinnamon, you're not only treating your taste buds but also prioritizing your health. Let's talk about packaging. FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder comes in convenient resealable bags, ensuring maximum freshness and flavor preservation. Plus, with options ranging from 8 ounces to a pound, you can choose the perfect size to suit your culinary needs. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: quality. FGO takes pride in sourcing their cinnamon directly from Sri Lanka, ensuring that each batch is of the highest quality. And with certifications like USDA Organic and Non-GMO, you can trust that you're getting nothing but the best. But enough chit-chat, let's put this cinnamon to the test. From luscious baked goods to tantalizing beverages, the possibilities are endless. Today, I'll be whipping up a batch of gluten-free cinnamon donuts using FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. And there you have it, folks. Mouth-watering gluten-free cinnamon donuts made with FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder. The flavor? Absolutely divine. Plus, knowing that I'm using a premium, organic product just adds an extra layer of satisfaction. In conclusion, FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder is a game-changer in the world of spices. With its impeccable quality, delightful flavor, and health-conscious approach, it's no wonder why this product has garnered rave reviews from customers worldwide. So, if you're ready to elevate your culinary creations, be sure to add FGO Organic Ceylon Cinnamon Powder to your pantry today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!